Hey guys, I'm Sean Allen, your Houston area Acura guy, and I want to give you a little brief overview of the 2020 Acura MDX. I'm going to have a lot more detail and some other videos to follow, but if you are looking for a three-row luxury SUV, it's really hard to beat the MDX. This is the 2020 Acura MDX. It's one of the most popular luxury SUVs on the market right now. It's a three-row SUV, seats 7 or 6 if you opt for the captain's chairs. You know, this is one of the safest and most reliable cars on the market that you can possibly drive. It's jam-packed with technology that you'd have to pay a lot more for with other manufacturers, if the technology even is available at all. It's a 5-star crash test rated vehicle. It's an IIHS top safety pick. And there's very few cars that you can get that will treat your family better than this one. The 2020 MDX comes with a 3.5 liter V6 engine, has iVTEC technology that will help save you gas and maximize your power output. It gets 23 miles per gallon or 22 if you opt for the all-wheel drive version. The Acura MDX comes with a power tailgate, flat folding rear seats, additional storage space located on the side with the power outlet and below. The 2020 Acura MDX comes with a touch infotainment system, an ultra smooth 9-speed push button transmission, 3-stage climate control, and USBs are located all throughout the vehicle. The middle row of the Acura MDX comes with a 60-40 split. You can set 2 car seats side by side using the latch system with anchor points located in the rear of the seat. With the 2 car seats, you can still have access to the back row by using the button on the side to make the seat move forward. There are also additional cup holders located in the center of the seat. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my little video about the 2020 Acura MDX. I'm going to be releasing some other videos soon that will let you know exactly what you get for each trim level of the vehicle. That's the base model, the tech, the A-Spec, and the advanced. If you have any questions or comments or something you'd like to see in another video, let me know because I always need ideas. If you're looking for an Acura in the Houston market, I'll have all my contact info below. Again, thank you so much, and I really do appreciate your view.